Hello, dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to study English chapter 7, True Friendship. Dear students, it is true that everyone have and like friendship, and I believe that you all like and love to have friends. It is very important to choose wisely friends, or it is important to have true friends. So, what is true friends? True friends are those who are forever ready to help each other anytime. In this lesson, the true friendship between a tortoise and a fox is described. Now let's read and understand the story. There was a tortoise and a fox, and they were great and good friends. Though they were good friends, they lived in a different place. The tortoise lived in a pond, and the fox lived in a den on the bank of a river. Though they live in different places, they spend a lot of time talking to each other. They laugh and like to tell each other about their daily jobs. The fox, in search of food, he often went through a forest to a village nearby, and he met many other animals in the forest. Even though he met many other animals, he always kept himself away from the lion, the tiger, the leopard, and the wolf. The fox told the tortoise that he kept himself away from these animals like the lion, tiger, leopard, and the wolf because they are very dangerous and cunning. He also said to the tortoise that they would grab him and eat him up if he go near to one of them. Very interestingly, the tortoise knew this as well. Now, what happened is that one day the fox and the tortoise were talking. Then a leopard crept up or came behind them slowly. The fox did not see the leopard coming, but the tortoise saw the leopard coming behind them. Then the tortoise shouted, saying, "Run, fox, run." Suddenly the fox turned and ran away. But unluckily, the tortoise was not able to run away. Now the leopard grabbed him or the tortoise before he could jump back into the pond. Then the leopard thought that he is going to have a fine meal that day. After that, the leopard tried to break the shell of the tortoise, but he could not, as the shell of the tortoise was very hard. The leopard bit it. He put his paws on it and scratched at it with his claws. But he could not succeed in breaking the shell of the tortoise. And on the other hand, the tortoise was shivering with fear inside its shell. While the leopard was trying to break the tortoise shell, the leopard heard the tortoise friend's voice, the fox, saying that he can tell him how the leopard can get the tortoise out from his shell. By now the leopard was very angry and asked how. In reply, the fox said, "Why don't the leopard throw the tortoise back into the water?" And the fox added that the tortoise shell will get soaked into the water and then it will become soft. Then the leopard can break it and open easily. The leopard agreed and said, "You are right." And he also thanked the fox for sharing his idea. After then, the leopard picked up the tortoise and threw him back into the water. After the tortoise was thrown back into the water, the fox ran away. Then the tortoise sank to the bottom and he did not come up for many days. After many days, when the two friends, the fox and the tortoise, met the next time, they were very happy together, talking again many things. And this time they told each other that they both must always be very careful in the forest. Dear students, we learned from the story that true friendship are always ready to help each other anytime at any cost, like in the story The Fox and the Tortoise. Dear students, that's all for today's class. Hope you understood the lesson. Thank you.